Hi Aveda, this is John Reyman and I'm in New York City at New York Fashion Week. We are kicking off Fashion Week for the world right now.
Hi, I'm Janell Geason, Global Artistic Director for Aveda Makeup.
I am Dakota Malacara from Colorado Springs, Colorado.
I'm Jason Mungia from Austin, Texas.
I'm Mallory Barrett from Austin, Texas.
My name is Lily and I'm from New Jersey.
I'm from Thailand, Bangkok.
My name's Ricky Hudson, I'm from Detroit.
The look for Monse, we have 3 looks. One is center part straight. The second look is a low ponytail with a little graphic shape to it, and then we're doing a box braid where we're weaving in the fabric. I use volumizing tonic as my base, always my base. It's light, it has a nice hold to it.
It's high energy, very high. I love it.
This is my 8th season and I'm very excited to be here again. Kind of working under pressure is always the best for me. I'm really loving the Nutriplenish right now. Coming to Fashion Week has been a dream of mine and I just enjoy coming back year after year.
Monse has been, for me, just a lovely first show for me this season.
And we're backstage here at Naeem Khan. The whole look is just, think about like beautiful floral greens. The collection's super bright and colorful, so we wanted to keep that kind of garden theme. And then using a bit of a pop of color, but really soft with our papaya. So finishing off in this look that's just really floral and fresh. That's like the #1 trend is hyper beautiful, real skin. Like people are taking care of their skin like they never did before. Well, I think Aveda Artists should come to New York Fashion Week because this is like the Oscars for us. Such a great opportunity to get the trends 6 months before they even come out, to be able to go back in their salon and really share that with the guests. And come on, like this is super fun. This is what we do. Like just being able to do our art and do some really cool things with some amazing designers.
Travel about 25 hours to get here just to do a New York Fashion Week.
Aveda give the opportunity to so many people to make their dream come true and be part of Fashion Week. I've been in London, I've been in Paris, thanks to Aveda. And every time I come in, I see a lot of new people and they get nervous. And I remember myself for the first time. Every single time you have butterflies in your stomach and it's exciting every time. I recommend everybody to give it a chance and come on the runway. It's one in a lifetime thing.
My name is Angel Cheng. I'm a zero carbon women's wear designer based in New York, and I work with indigenous artisans around the world to create clothing entirely seat to button in a zero carbon way. And so that means it's made without electricity, without any plastics or fossil fuels, entirely from nature, from the earth. So we just use 3 ingredients, sun, plants, and mountain water, just like how clothing was made hundreds of thousands of years ago. We make pre-industrial clothing for the modern women today. So I partnered with Aveda because Aveda is clean beauty, about nature, and we're aligned with nature. We wanted to show what the future could be like if we were more natural or more healthier and how it would radiate from our skin. And Aveda just seemed like the perfect partner.
Hi everyone, we're backstage at New York Fashion Week at Chiara Boni. We're doing a beautiful, like very feminine look. Gobi Seance to create a beautiful contoured look, which is great, very on trend right now, very matte. We're doing a little bit of a liner on the top, lots of mascara, and then we're gonna do a beautiful lip with our color bomb, so everything's gonna stay super neutral, but yet it's still really strong with that really winged eye.
My name is Maria Livingood. I've been coming to New York Fashion Week since I was 19 years old and I am now 27. My first season, you should have seen me. I was like afraid of holding a brush. The models would come in and I'll be like, anyone else is free, I'm not. Everything I know and that I've learned about makeup has been backstage at New York Fashion Week and pushes you a little further out of your comfort zone to learn more things. I saved all my money, all my tips that I got at beauty school and came here with 0 skills. And I just watched and watched and watched and just started doing it.
And we are doing sleek, very chic, very cool, high buns, and we are in it. We prep the hair with some volumizing tonic, and then we blue dry it smooth, and then afterwards, We're taking some control force to just coat the surface, and then we'll tie that. Perfect. We'll cut that, and then we're gonna section this and put this in, and then bring that around, and then we are perfect. Why do I love Chiara Boni and why do I love Simone the stylist? So they demand excellence on a level that has pushed me to make sure I find my best. It's a skill, right? It's a real skill that you practice and you get the good information and you do better, hopefully. And so I would say the tips are give yourself room to make mistakes, and sometimes the mistakes are actually amazing. We're definitely seeing certain trends this season, but for me, the runway and fashion has really pushed how we understand beauty and helped us understand beauty more and differently with much more diversity. And so to me, being a part of fashion and beauty now is a really special time because we are surrounded by a revolution. I love finding and being better and growing with them and trusting each other and building relationships, and it's everything I love doing about Fashion Week when we create art like this.
I came back because I love working with the best of the best in the industry.
New York Fashion Week to me is my breakaway, my recharge.
Even in a season like this where I only get to come for 3 days, I would rather do that than miss out on seeing all my beautiful Aveda family.
You'd never know what is going to happen, what the look is going to be. So it really pushes you to just kind of go with the flow and learn and just go for the experience. You won't regret it.
I came to Fashion Week because this has been a dream of mine forever.
Because this is the goal. This is where I want to be.